What's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru. So wanted to come back and do another video. I'm going to be doing several videos on Eaconomy, guys. Now, if you're here and you're looking for this product, for this opportunity, and you think it's a scam, which most people, unfortunately, have negative connotations when it comes to making money online, I'm going to be the first to tell you that Eaconomy, ladies and gentlemen, is not a scam by far. Okay. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to be going in my back office and showing you the value that this particular company has. Now, P.S. and by the way, I want all my U.S. Based prospects. If you're looking at this and you're in the USA, which most people who are subscribed to this channel are in the USA, I have several also who are international. International folks, you're good. But for those of you who want to take advantage of the automation trader, right? There is a process that we have to do for you if you are in the United States of America. Okay, so if you're in the USA and you want to take advantage of this powerful automated trader, make sure you reach out to me on Facebook. Send me a message, book a time to speak with me, call me, we'll do whatever you have to do to get in touch with me, because there is a process which is simple, okay, to sign up for, to get tied to the auto trader, because originally the auto trader is not available in the USA. So there is a way for us to get it for you, though. You just have to follow our instructions and we can help you every step of the way. All my international folks, if you're outside of the USA, you're good to go. You can actually go to the link below this video, that's going to be below this video, get signed up, and you'll be able to get yourself acquainted not only with the education but also with the auto trader. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen to get into this. Guys, let me just tell you straight, this is going to be my very last Forex trading company that I joined. Okay. I started this journey, Forex journey, back years ago. I'm going to say well over 6 years ago when it comes to the particular companies. A lot of you were probably familiar or a part of a particular company that came out years ago, and they kind of, made a hedgeway for these other companies to kind of follow suit. But what I've found is a lot of these companies, they have taken bits and pieces from the previous company that came along, right? The one that was a forerunner, and made it better, okay? With the technology, with the apps, with the automation, with everything. And here what you have in front of you now is a company, ladies and gentlemen, that is not a fly-by-night company. It's been around for a while. As a matter of fact, the EA, or the auto trader that this company has been producing very good results for the last 3 years. So this is nothing brand new. This is something that's been out. As a matter of fact, I was presented this months ago by a good friend of mine here that I've been knowing for over 4 years. And I guess I was distracted when he was trying to explain everything to me. I missed the part where he says that the company has an EA along with the education. And I'm kicking myself now because I should have joined a while back. But hey, we all know that timing is of the essence. So this is my back office, ladies and gentlemen, Eaconomy. What can I say? It is, again, I'm blown away by the tools that this company has. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, if you want to get into the education, if you want to automate the process, you can do that here. So I'm just going to show you just a few things that we have here. I'm going to go to, we even have crypto. I'm going to talk about that later. If you want to get into stocks, ladies and gentlemen, and learn how to profit in stocks, we even have that. So we have the best of all three financial worlds that can really rev up your income: Forex, crypto, and stocks, ladies and gentlemen. You can pick one or all three to rev up your income. So let's check out just a couple of things when it comes to the Forex. So we have a product. When you come in here and you start to learn, right? You start to take this education serious. you can start to tap into a tool. This is going to be my favorite trading tool right here called a Manara. Now, what the Manara does, I'm going to click on this. I'm not going to open it up right now. What the Monara does, ladies and gentlemen, and we have Telegram groups for each of these tabs, by the way, so you'll be able to see not only results, but you would be able to get into the educational sessions and everything. As you can see here, there's live trainings for all of this. But check this out. This is what this tool is. It says, imagine being able to leverage an AI tool that assists you in identifying certain market breakouts on the chart without having to figure it out all day on your own. So basically what it does, it paints the patterns for you. There's several patterns that the Forex market paints, ladies and gentlemen. And the Monaro is going to give you those patterns. Not only that, it's going to give you very, very precise. Once the pattern is created by the tool, it's going to give you very, very precise entry points, because one of the main not objectives, but one of the main downfalls of a Forex trader is they don't know how to get in. They don't know good entry points and good exit points, right? So Monara is going to give you those parameters on entries, on exits, and guess what? And stop losses. All three of those. So when you have those at your fingertips, and this is for all pairs, ladies and gentlemen, including indices, including your metals like gold and silver. I was on a Zoom call with my partner a couple of hours ago. He showed me the power of this tool, and there was a live silver call that this tool called out, and it hit the take profit zone. It hit the take profit zone in less than 5 minutes, guys. So this thing is dynamic. This is going to cut down your learning curve. It's going to cut down the time that you may have spent marking up charts. It is a powerful, powerful tool. Okay, let's go back to Forex. Eminence. So here's the great thing about Eaconomy as well, guys. We have languages that, you know, basically you can tap. I mean, this covers a lot of people right here: the English, the Spanish, the Arabic, the Nepal, right? The Telegram link is going to lead you to those to the Telegram groups to be able to get trade ideas, which is our signals in the market forecast, guys. These signals are very good, And then if you want to learn institutional trading, if you want to learn what the big wigs do in the market, you can learn that right here, right? Okay, so basically I'm going to go here and we're going to log in. I'm going to show you the education that you get here. Go ahead and log in real quick. Bear with me. Okay, so again, we have the English and we have the other languages here, but check this out. Check this out right here, guys. English. I'm just going to do it because that's what I speak. I speak English. But if you want, this is where the education starts, guys. What is Forex? For those of you who are new, you have no idea what Forex is, you can go through these videos step by step, and it's going to show you exactly what it is and how to get started, how to actually make a trade, right? You know, look at all this: support and resistance, the spreads, MetaTrader 4, intro to Monara, the tool I just told you about, guys. This thing is dynamic. As a matter of fact, I may just go ahead and play some of this for you. Let me open it up. Let's play it real quick.
Hey, how's it going? Dabo here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use an extremely powerful tool called Manara. So in trading, you want to have a bunch of confirmations that help you make a decision. You don't just want to say, oh, it touched this one resistance line, and therefore this must be a great trade. You want what I call a confluence of events. You want maybe a trend line and a double bottom and some other pattern and different confirmations that help you make the best decision so that you have the highest likelihood of winning. And that's where Monara comes into play. So I'm going to hop on, kind of just give you a brief overview of the tool. I'm not going to get into exactly how to use it or any type of strategy specifically. So let's hop on the computer and let's check it out. So here we are in the back office, and you're going to want to go to Economy, and then you're going to open up Manara right here. I'm going to have this, turn this off to hide all for now. So the first thing I want to point out is that this is a chart by TradingView. If you've ever checked out TradingView, you'll probably be familiar with this, which is really, really awesome to use such an intuitive platform. You can, just zoom in and zoom out super easily. It's a very, very clean, intuitive platform, So next thing I want to show you is that you have all the same tools that you would on TradingView. As well as up here, you can see, you can change from, candlesticks to bars to lines, as well as you can change your time frame. So if you want to do 1 hour, 4 hour, any of those things, you can come up here and use all of these tools. So if you're used to using TradingView, there you go. If you're not, this is honestly one of the simplest and easiest trading platforms to use. So right here, what I want to point out is that you can pick your currency pair. So one of the awesome things about this Monara tool is that it scans all pairs. So you could be trading stocks, for example, you could try to just trade Apple, or you could go ahead and trade cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Bitcoin. So let's do Ethereum USD. There we go, Ethereum USD. And now you can see what the currency pair looks like, right? Now, you'll see all of these things on. Again, I'm going to turn this off for a moment just to kind of give you an idea. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you're looking for a confluence of events. You're looking for a bunch of indications that tell you what may or may not happen in the markets. And that's what we have all of this for. Now on here, you can see there's all these different things that have different names. They might sound weird, a crab, bat. So a lot of these are actually what are called harmonic patterns. I'm not going to get into what that means in this video, but just understand that in the markets, there's things that happen over and over and over, and there's patterns that happen over and over. And if you understand those technicals and those patterns, they can help you make informed decisions in your trading. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of these up. So as you can see here, there's a pattern, and these are one of those patterns that give you a confirmation. Now, what's cool is if you hit show, this pattern is actually giving you a target. So they're giving you ideas here. This should be your target. This is target 1. You can show your stop loss. So it'll give you exactly what the stop loss is, your reward to risk. So, maybe you took this trade and it went against you. Well, your risk to reward is so good in this scenario. It's over 4. You could win 1 out of 4 trades and still break even or be profitable. Now let's turn on something else. Let's turn on double bottoms. You see these purple lines right here? This shows you that there's a double bottom or a W pattern that painted right here, which is another confirmation, right? So say you walked up to this chart and you turn on double bottoms, you turn on this pattern, you see that it's forming. And now, because you have these multiple indications that the price will go up per se at this level right here, you now have a better, more informed reason as to why to take a trade like this. And this is where this tool comes into place. It shows you some of these events and these things that could help you, give you the right indication and make the right decision in your trading. So hopefully by now you understand the basics of this tool and why this tool could be so powerful. Let's go ahead and open up another currency. AUD, let's say AUD USD. I want to trade the Australian versus the dollar. Now, again, you can see this is kind of an overload of information. So you might want to turn these off and look for your favorite patterns. And again, this is something that you're going to want to understand over time. There's also going to be more education on how to use this by people that are highly successful at using a tool like this, right? So definitely don't just come in here and expect to just turn on some random indicator and say, oh, okay, cool. Looks like this is a guarantee, right? You want to make sure and make a good informed decision when you are trading, because it's a game of odds. And if you let the odds play in your favor, you'll have the highest odds of succeeding instead of just taking trades because some random indication told you so. You want to make sure there, like I said before, there's a confluence of events and things happening. So, you might turn a few of these on and say, okay, I see some of these patterns, and I see some confluence between a few of these patterns, right? So hopefully that gave you a very, very brief, basic understanding of why this tool is powerful.
All right, folks. So you get the idea, right? Powerful. Hey, I'm excited to get my hands on this tool alone. Okay. So guys, there's a lot in here that's going to help you become a trader. How to set up your EA. We also have that, right? So this short video is going to show you how to set it up. Guys, this is a one-stop shop for passive income, right? It is a one-stop stop for passive income. The crypto, this right here, guys. So we have a tool called Hercules in crypto, right? This right here is a game changer, guys. Game changer. There's videos on this as well. How would you, let me just kind of give you an overview. How would you like to know when to buy or sell in the crypto market? This tool, Hercules, is going to show you exactly how to do so. And then, of course, we have stocks. If you want to get into stocks, we have a Telegram group for that on when to buy and when to sell certain stocks. So guys, this is a one-stop shop. As you can see, this is why I joined Eaconomy, because there's nowhere else. If you want to increase your financial success for this year and moving forward for many years to come, this is going to be it. You got everything you need here. Your hands-free income. You got your education. That, again, this education is not taught in schools, guys. We're not taught how to create our own financial economy inside of. That's why it's called Eaconomy. Eaconomy. Create your own financial economy yourself. Not relying on a job the rest of your life. Not relying on your education, but the education inside of a vehicle that can change your life. Okay. So again, as you see, this is why I joined Eaconomy, because of the value that they give. Not only that, our team guys are winning. Okay. Every single person that has joined this on our team, they're not going anywhere. Why? Because they're making money every single day. The retention rate is at a perfection. And that's because people are actually making money. Okay. So if you want to beat inflation is going up, guys. Inflation is real. It's increasing every single day. And guess what's not increasing? Your pay at your job. So what are you going to do to make a decision? What are you going to do to make that go away? What are you going to do to make your situation better? You're going to learn how to make money in your sleep, first of all, and then you're going to learn a skill that can really help you do the same. Okay. So again, to close, all my USA folks, if you're looking at this, make sure you reach out to me as soon as possible so we can get you signed up. There's a particular way we have to sign you up, because most of you, I know you want to tap into the automation piece first, and that's fine. Okay. And then all my international folks, if you're outside of the USA, you're good to go. You can go ahead and sign up and you'll be just fine. All right. So add me as a friend on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins. Again, you can reach out to me via my calendar. You can book a time, or you can simply call me. You can add me on WhatsApp. Whatever you got to do to get in touch with me, I'm here to help you all the way. All right. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. That is my time. There's going to be a link below for you guys to get started once I'm done with this video. And if you have any questions thereafter, guys, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. All right. Take care. Have a great day.